Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your everyday cooking to a professional level. We're talking about the made in stainless steel frying pan, specifically the 8-inch model, crafted in Italy. This pan boasts a 5-ply stainless clad construction, and if you're a serious home cook or aspiring chef, you know what that means. It's all about superior heat distribution and responsiveness. Unlike cheaper pans that have hot spots and take forever to heat up, this 5-ply design ensures even cooking across the entire surface. This is absolutely critical whether you're searing a delicate piece of fish, sautéing vegetables, or making a perfect omelette. The difference in control you get with a well-constructed pan is simply game-changing. Let's talk dimensions. We're looking at a total diameter of 8.5 inches, with a cooking surface diameter of 5 inches. The height is 2.75 inches with the handle, and the depth of the pan itself is 1.75 inches. The handle is 15 inches long, which gives you a good amount of leverage and keeps your hands safely away from the heat. This size is perfect for those smaller tasks. Frying a couple of eggs, searing a single chicken breast, or making a quick sauce. It's an essential for every kitchen, as Made in states, and I agree, its versatility is its strong suit. The quality of materials is evident from the moment you pick it up. The 5-ply stainless clad construction means you have multiple layers of metal working together. This isn't just marketing jargon. It's engineering for better heat. The exterior is polished to a beautiful sheen, and the interior feels robust and ready for action. One feature that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important is the handle. Made in claims it's a stay-cool handle, and during my testing, it performed admirably. While no handle will remain completely cool under intense, prolonged heat, this one stayed significantly cooler than many other pans I've used. It's meticulously crafted and fastened with stainless steel rivets, which signifies a lifetime of use. This isn't a pan designed to be replaced in a year or two. It's built to be a workhorse in your kitchen for decades. For those of you with induction cooktops, you'll be pleased to know this pan is fully compatible. The inclusion of a 430 stainless steel top layer ensures it works effortlessly with induction, as well as gas, electric, and even ceramic cooktops. This broad compatibility makes it a safe bet for pretty much any kitchen setup. Now, Made in proudly crafts their cookware in Italy, and there's a certain pride that comes with owning a piece that's been expertly made. You can feel the heritage and the attention to detail in its construction. It's not just a tool, it's a statement of quality. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous. The 5-ply construction offers exceptional heat control and even distribution. The build quality is superb, designed for longevity. The stay-cool handle is a significant convenience. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction. And the fact that it's expertly made in Italy adds to its appeal and perceived value. This pan truly is an essential for any kitchen looking to up its game. However, no product is perfect. The primary con for many will be the price point. High-quality, multi-clad cookware is an investment. This pan isn't the cheapest option on the market. Also, while the 8-inch size is versatile for smaller tasks, if you're cooking for a large family or regularly searing multiple pieces of meat, you'll likely need to invest in their larger sizes as well. Lastly, it's stainless steel, which means it's not non-stick. If you're accustomed to non-stick surfaces for everything, there will be a learning curve involved in using and caring for a stainless steel pan to prevent sticking. Mastering techniques like preheating the pan properly and using the right amount of oil is key. In conclusion, the Made in 8-inch stainless steel frying pan is a phenomenal piece of cookware. It delivers on its promise of professional quality heat distribution, durability, and versatility. If you're looking to invest in a piece that will significantly improve your cooking experience and last a lifetime, this pan is definitely worth considering. It's a testament to excellent craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Link in the description.